Hello, it's Dawn here from Dawn's Inspirations. I wanted to share this Gatefold mini album with you. I did a super quick Gatefold envelope mini album about 5 years ago now, and it's gone down really well. I'll leave a link for that project below the video here. But I had a request from a lady called Lisa saying could I do the page format as a flip-flap zigzag. So I'm hoping what I've created, Lisa, is what you were after. So this is the album itself. I've used 7x5 envelopes for this. So in the video tutorial that follows, I'll show you how to do the construction in one video and how to add all the papers in the next. And I give all the measurements as well, but also there's a link below to my website where all the measurements will be there along with the videos as well, so you can keep referring back. But this is the Gatefold envelope mini album, really quick to make, a lovely morning or afternoon project if you fancy it. These are used in 7x5 envelopes, just regular envelopes that you get for making your cards. So you could make this album with any envelope size you want. You've just got to adjust your cover measurements to fit. So Lisa asked it with a flip-flap page system rather than the book page system that I'd done in the original. So I'm hoping, Lisa, this is what you were after. So you wanted it to open all the way out on both sides. I'm hoping I've got it right for you, and this is what you were after. So please message me again and let me know if I've done it right. So this is the album itself, really quick and super easy to make. As I said, I've got two videos that will follow this, one with the construction and one with the papers, and then all I've done is go along and decorate. And if you look at how I've decorated, I'm trying to find a quick piece of paper, you'll see that I don't stick all my embellishments all the way down. So people want to put a photograph like that, they can do. Okay, and it's a nice little top tip to use when you're giving mini albums as gifts. Like here, I haven't stuck them flat, so if they want to put a photograph there, they can do. But the beauty of this album is you've got lots of nice big spaces to add your photographs, okay, or tuck your memorabilia in behind items like this. I've used the Nature's Garden Peony by Crafter's Companion for this project, but you could use any paper collection you wish, anything you want. You could use plain papers and stamp them, so you don't even have to have pattern papers. You could just stamp on papers. You could use plain cardstock and emboss it. So the possibilities are absolutely endless. It's a great way of mixing and matching papers you've got. So you might have a few from one collection and a few from the other collection, and it's absolutely a great way of mixing and matching them as to how you want them. But a little top tip is don't always glue your embellishments fully down so people can tuck things behind them, photographs, anything they wish. So this is my super quick Gatefold mini with the flip-flap pages. So I'm Dawn from Dawn's Inspirations. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do, because there's lots on there to see, and I don't want you to miss out on anything that's coming up. If you're a new subscriber, don't forget to go back and have a look at all my other tutorials. There's lots on there, from techniques with inks to free mini album tutorials, scrapbook layouts, online tutorials, all sorts. So I'm Dawn from Dawn's Inspirations. Lisa, I hope this is what you wanted. So here you go, my super quick envelope flip-flap page album. See you soon.